Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you some beautiful, colorful wood beads. Now these are great to add that little pop of color into your designs without adding a lot of extra weight. So you can see that I did this design up here and I sort of incorporated these beautiful 6mm red wood beads into the design because I really wanted to kind of give it that nice little sort of shape there happening with some of these other check glass seed beads that I have going on and some fun little tassels. So you can just see how the red really makes it kind of pop out, but it's not a gemstone, so it's not going to add extra weight to the piece. So you really get the chance to kind of add in a fair amount here. So as you can see, these are some of the other colors that we have in the 6mm. Now I've sort of nestled my packages together, but let me kind of pull one out for you here so you really get to see the amount of beads that you're getting with this beautiful packaging here. So it's really, really wonderful. This is a 6mm round, and you're getting actually about 200 pieces in this particular package. So lots of really, really fun colors. We also do have some like natural wood colors as well, and then we also have a fun little mix. So very cool. So these are the 6mm. Now over here we have the 4mm, and here are a couple of the colors that we offer. Again, you can see that it has a different kind of mix here. So if you just kind of look, the 6mm has that little primary one, but the 4mm has one of the ones that are a little bit more of those natural wood colors there as well, which is actually really nice to use if you just want like just one or two of a certain color to add to your design. So here are some of those 4mm here on my table, just so you can see how nice and tiny and cute they really are. So really, really lovely. And then if you're looking for a different type of shape, something a little bit different than a round, we have these here, and these are actually really fun. So I brought out the mix onto my table here. Now just to give you a little size range here, so it goes from 6mm at the base here, and then they're 20mm long. So they kind of have a nice little tapered shape to them, which are really great. You can kind of use just one or two in a design, just has a nice little focal even. So really, really beautiful. And of course, then we do have the solid colors as well if you're looking for that. All right, so some other shapes that we do have, I just want to kind of point these out. These are sort of little horns or little teeth, and they're really fun, but they're beautiful wood beads. So they have a nice little top drill there, and they're about 10mm across the top, and they come to about 4mm or so at the base. They are 28mm long, but as you can see, there's a little bit of variation just between the beads, but they are still pretty consistent. So if you're looking to add one or two, or if you're looking to create a pair of earrings, these are really fun and wonderful. All right, so back to some more of the rounds here. So I have some 12mm here, and I just love this sort of pinky coral, which you don't really see a lot in wood beads, so I was really excited that we had that color. But we do have some other ones as well. Again, we do have the mixes. And then we also have some 10mm, and we have that bright color mix once again. And then last but not least, we do have some 8mm beads. We have a little bit more of that natural mix, but we also do have some lovely blue. It's almost like a lapis color. We have a dark brown, we have some white. I love using the white wood beads. They just end up looking really, really nice and clean in a piece. And of course, we have some of that red and natural wood as well. So these are the colorful seed beads that we offer here at Beadaholique. Like I said, they're great to add to your designs. Feel free to use them for stringing, for macrame, all kinds of different techniques. And they're wonderful to add a little bit of color without adding any weight. All right, you can get all of these supplies and see these tutorials by heading over to beadaholique.com.